EDCO scarifiers are designed to remove concrete, asphalt, and floor coverings. They create textured, roughened, and cleaned surfaces. Scarifiers are great for surface removal, line and markings removal, floor leveling, coating preparation, and creating non-slip surfaces. This video shows how to properly use and maintain the EDCO CPM10 10-inch walk-behind scarifier. There are multiple power options for the CPM10, including a 7.5 horsepower, 230 and 460 volt electric motor, and a 13 horsepower gasoline engine. All options scarify approximately 500 to 700 square feet per hour at a 1/8 inch depth per pass when using EDCO's carbide cutter accessories. Scarifiers remove surfaces by using rotating drums filled with these carbide accessories or steel accessories. The tungsten carbide cutters are the most aggressive and longest lasting accessory. One set of carbides should remove 6,000 to 8,000 square feet of concrete at a 1/8 inch depth before replacement. Carbides are designed for most general purpose applications. The EDCO hardened steel cutters are also available. Steel cutters should remove approximately 400 to 500 square feet of concrete at 1/16 of an inch per pass before replacement. The pointed tip cutters are designed for specialized applications like removing rubberized coatings and lightly texturing, cleaning, and preparing concrete surfaces. The CPM10 has the option for a 6-shaft or 8-shaft drum. There are several drum setup option pictures to view on edcoinc.com. Pick the kind of drum and finish needed and begin loading accessories onto the drum shafts. All drum setups must be balanced. For the 6-shaft drum, this means that 3 shafts follow the same pattern while the other 3 shafts follow the reverse pattern. For the 8-shaft drum, this means 4 shafts follow the same pattern while the other 4 shafts follow the reverse pattern. For all drum patterns, the fewer cutters on a drum, the more aggressive the removal. It's important to remember that all cutters from the EDCO recommended setups must be used, but not all spacers need to be used. Some spacers are slightly wider than others. When the drum is full, you should be able to slightly move the accessories side to side. If it feels tight, remove a spacer. Preparing the CPM10 for operation is easy. Load the drum into the machine by removing the drum side access panel. Slide the drum onto the scarifier by lining up its hex pattern with the drum shaft. Then line up the drum shaft with the drum side access panel and tighten its bolts. To begin scarifying, make sure the engage-disengage lever is in the up position. This will disengage the drum. If you're using a gasoline model, turn on the engine switch, adjust the gas and choke, open the throttle, and then pull the start cord. If you're using the electric model, plug the scarifier into the proper power supply and turn on the machine. To begin scarifying with all models, adjust the depth control crank all the way up, lower the engage-disengage lever to the engage position, and begin adjusting the depth control crank down. You will hear when the accessories touch the floor. You are now scarifying. To achieve the maximum 1/8 inch removal per pass, turn the depth control crank 3 full times after hearing the accessories touch. Upon engaging, you'll feel the machine pulling forward. Hold onto the handlebars and direct the machine. Do not let go without raising the engage-disengage lever. The machine will run away if it's still scarifying. The depth will stay set when you disengage the drum. Remember, this scarifier is designed to remove 1/8 of an inch of concrete per pass. If the application calls for deeper removal, scarify the area multiple times. Removing too much per pass will damage the drum and accessories and will slow the task significantly. Simple maintenance ensures EDCO scarifiers run properly. Greasing the drum shaft bearings is the most frequent maintenance task. There are 2 bearings, one located on each side. Grease these before every use. There are also grease points on the back wheels, on the depth control crank, and on the engage-disengage lever. Service these points as needed. Adjust the machine's belt tension by moving the motor or engine mount up or down. This scarifier has 3 belts. Begin by taking off the side belt guard and then loosening the bolts on both sides of the mount. When the side bolts are loose, manipulating this jack bolt located in the machine's front will raise and lower the mount. To loosen or remove the belts, lower the mount. To tighten, raise the mount. Properly tensioned belts have about a 1/2 inch deflection or play. When this is achieved, first retighten the bolt nearest the belts and look at its position within its vertical slot. Then make the bolt on the opposite side of the mount match this position and retighten. Matching bolt positions will make sure that all the belts are properly tensioned. Finally, tighten the jack bolt, and attach the belt guard. For more information and to view all EDCO training videos, visit edcoinc.com and our YouTube channel. Call EDCO customer service using 800-638-3326.